The fourth one today, what we are going to see is Anahata, that is the heart chakra. The fourth chakra today, Anahata, is situated right where in the center of this place, the chest, near to our heart. Of course, it is an astral body. From there, the connections are in the physical body. The heart plays, this particular heart region plays a very great significance because the love, the compassion, giving, the openness, acceptance, everything is related to the heart chakra. The physically, this heart chakra takes care of the circulatory system. We yesterday saw in the Manipuraka chakra take care of our digestive system, but fourth chakra, Anahata chakra, takes care of the circulatory system, the heart, lungs, the blood, and the entire circulatory system. If you have very less energies in this chakra, what happens is you get heart diseases, you get infections in the lungs, and also if there is excess energies, uncontrollable, then you make others depend on you and you give suffering to others in the name of love. But if the energies are very much balanced in this chakra, then you will be a compassionate person, a person who gives, a person who thinks about universal love, that everything is oneness. People who are in the service, welfare of others, always think about others. They all are in the heart chakra. They beautifully channel the energies through the heart chakra. Heart is the center of all the seven chakras, the fourth one. When this heart chakra is very much balanced, you will have both passion as well as compassion. Muladhara, the first chakra, is connected to the legs, all the nerve system, and the feet is grounded to the earth. Similarly, the heart chakra is connected to both the hands, the arms, the nerves. When you give something to others, when you take something from others, because we always think giving is great, taking is bad. When you passionately give something, when somebody gives you something passionately, you must also receive with the same love and energies, because that is the yin yang, giving and taking. Both the energies has to be absolutely good. The free flow. When you serve food to others with a lot of love and compassion, when you give water to others, that energy from the heart through your hands goes. When you eat food, eat with the bare hands, not with the steel spoons or the copper or the silver spoons. Because the food, when someone gives with love, when you eat it with your fingers, that love gets transformed to your heart chakra. Such a beautiful inner connections. People who are compassionate, people who serve others, they all are highly great in this heart chakra. It is represented with 12 petals, represented by the green color. If you want this chakra to be always bright and beautiful, you must of course meditate a lot. When you meditate, the breath goes to the Agna and then to all the chakras, 7 chakras, it travels. So the breath knows which chakra energy has to be in balance, because the energies has to be in balance, not excess or less. If it is too excess, then you control others with your emotions. If it is very low, you attract diseases. But if it is in the right balance, you become like another Jesus Christ, another Krishna. Krishna and Vayudeva, this is air. This is linked to the air. The heart chakra is, the element is air. The Muladhara is air. Manipuraka is water. Swadhisthana is water. Manipuraka is fire. Nanahata is represented by air. Vayu. When you spend time with your beloved ones, the people who love you a lot, or you love them a lot, then the heart chakra vibrates. It connects a lot. Universal brotherhood. I'm talking about the love, which is universal love, not the love which you get from your partner every day or during the sex. No. I'm talking about the fourth chakra. The union between you and your partner, which is related to the second chakra, Swadhisthana. But this is Anahata. This is for the universal love. The love and compassion, the oneness you see with your animals, the plants, the humans, the children, with your co-worker, with everyone. So when you spend good time with the people you love a lot, then the heart chakra vibrates a lot. When you meditate, the heart chakra cleanses itself and then comes into the balance. And people who spend a lot of time with the nature, their heart chakra vibrates beautifully because nature is a mother abundance. If you look at a tree, the tree gives shadow to everyone who is below it. And the tree gives fruits and fresh flowers and fragrances and honey to honeybees. It gives a lot of homes, houses, to a lot of birds, and its wood is again used. Look at that one tree, which is, we call it as nature, is the abundance of giving. So the more you are connected with the nature, your heart chakra gets healed a lot. You must hug the tree. If you identify yourself that you are not in a position or your heart is not accepting when you give to others, then you have to spend a lot of time with the nature. Nature teaches you. Nature heals you. You have to meditate under a tree, hug a tree, stay there how much ever time you want. The tree will heal you. That's why the heart chakra is represented by green color, like emerald stone. So when you spend good time with your people who love you a lot, and when you meditate a lot, when you spend a lot of time with the nature, and of course when you watch romantic movies, all this heart chakra will start vibrating. Because this is related to the emotions, the love, the compassion and passion. Such a beautiful vibrating light comes out of it. When I see the posters of Jesus Christ or Krishna or Rama or anyone, their light from the heart goes to the whole world and the universe because they are here for service. They want to uplift every human being. So those people who are enlightened, they start working for others' enlightenment. People who are only in the base chakras, they will start giving service to the others by searching God in others. Service is God, that's what they say. So they search God in others through service. But people who are enlightened, they know they are gods and make everybody look into themselves or look into their inner selves to identify their own godhood. So take care of your Anahata chakra. When you give, at the same time when you receive, passionately, compassionately, your Anahata chakra, the fourth chakra, the heart chakra, vibrates. And you will be an embodiment of love and compassion towards animals and towards the humans and towards every being that lives in the earth. Thank you, friends. I think I have thrown some light on my own personal experiences and whatever I know and read. Further, you have to research, read a lot of books to understand if at all you want deep knowledge about it.
Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for the latest updates.